Got the engine stored in here. This is a nice little boat here, Bertram 20. Really cool boat. Very nice. If I had the money, this is the one I'd like to run around in. Of course, you got your Donzi. I had one of these. It's like a Porsche. And there it is. I need to cover this in plastic today, but this is my newer engine. And it looks really good. It's very clean. I'm going to pressure wash it, of course, and clean it up. Got a little bit of weepage around the water pump, but other than that, that's just we'll put a new water pump in it. It's cheap and easy, and a new gasket. It's got there's a transmission. That's the exhaust elbow, which these corrode out all the time, and this one looks like it has a fairly new elbow in it, so that's good. So that's the engine, folks. Now let's go out and scrub a dub-dub on Ludicrous. Since it's warm and sunny here, it's going to be 79 degrees for all you folks up north. Really feel for you bastards in the cold snap. But hey, another 4 or 5 weeks, y'all come down and come sail with Captain Mark. Get out of that cold. That's crazy up there. Bye-bye.